Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Schafer Elementary School in Lombard, Illinois. And it was a beautiful morning. I got to speak to grades K through 5. We had two separate presentations, and we built on my first visit a few school years ago, which was on bullying, looking at the heart first. We took it up a level today, talking about diversity and the need for human kindness. And that's the same logo that you see on my shirt here, which says need human kindness. And the whole concept behind it is that you see the peace sign inside the heart. And that's where peace truly has to begin. It has to start with each one of us. And in today's world, it is so needed that we show this kindness and love, because a lot of people don't believe that, they are special. And we talked about another important concept, which is the fact that we're all miracles. With the lines in each of our hands, we all have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. It's a reminder that we're all worthy of love to give it and receive it, that we are all true, beautiful miracles and need to help others that might not believe that in themselves really start to see it by shining our light. So when we're talking about diversity today, which is our differences on the outside and on the inside, we need to appreciate all of those things, right? If we're born different on the outside, whether it's how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, skin color, etc., the clothes we wear, we need to appreciate all those things, but also the things that we're good at and the things that we're not good at, what's on the inside. So whether that's sports or singing or dancing, video games, being a friend, right? Our skills, our abilities, our talents, our gifts, we have to honor all of that too. And once we start to appreciate that diversity, it starts to create this ripple effect into this world. And these acts of kindness, they almost become contagious, right? Because once you are able to receive that in your hearts, now you want to go and help someone else too, which is just amazing to really think about the need that we have, not only in our nation, but across this earth, to show more compassion, to show more respect, to show things like unconditional love. We talked about that as well. Love without any conditions, that it's so important that whether somebody is born different than us, right, that we are still able to show that love no matter what. And the other important part of this is that us showing that act of kindness, it may not just affect positively the life that we are showing it to, but anyone else that can see that act of kindness or witness it or hear it, right? Hear that positivity, maybe it'll change their heart for the better too. So you guys are beautiful. Thank you so much for touching my heart. I hope to be back again one day in person. For now, though, we'll keep it virtual, keep it safe, and have a great rest of the 2021 school year. And it's just been an honor getting to interact with all of you and seeing you grow, but also seeing your hearts grow too. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button that you'll see pop up on the video here, along with the notification bell to get updates on future videos just like this one whenever we release them. And check out my website for more information on my journey all across this country. And don't forget to check out the playlist here too with some other amazing video clips trying to spread that motivation and love. Peace.